Hi, this is CJ Romberger. I'm with Wildwood Interactive. We're a full-service internet development agency, and then I also write blogs frequently about different websites and tools and shortcuts and things like that, and write the column for Awesome Women magazine called Gadget Girl. So last week on Friday, I wrote a blog and did a little YouTube presentation using Camtasia, which I'm using again now. And the presentation was 304 Firefox tabs open, and I want to reboot. Now what? So what I did basically is I showed you some shortcuts in Firefox and a little process on how to get all of your tabs easily out of Firefox and into somewhere you can preserve them. And today's presentation is about the opposite of that. You might have a list of tabs that you regularly open in front of clients for presentations or during seminars, things like that. And you might want to just preserve those and then open those up easily when you are prepping for the seminar or presentation for your client. And then I would also suggest, maybe you do different presentations for different clients. You could have several different lists of these tabs that you'd like, links that you'd like to open, and keep them maybe on a little flash drive and then take them with you. It makes it really easy. So here's my little demonstration of how to get the tabs back. I have a little document called Tab Sickness for some obvious reasons. I have over 550 links stored here. And I have a little set of example links that I might want to open in my Firefox browser without having to do Control-T and paste and Control-T and paste. So what I'm going to do is select this list of links, and I'm going to push Control-C to capture them all in my clipboard. And I'm going to open Word. Now again, if you're at somebody else's PC and you have this list in advance, you can actually do this prep part a long time in advance and just take this with you. So as you can see, now that I've pasted this list, I have a paragraph in between each one. I need to put it in a format that Firefox can interpret, so I'm going to go to the Replace, and I'm going to put the word paragraph mark, which is a caret located above the 6 on your keyboard, and then the letter P. And I'm going to replace it with what Firefox recognizes, which is a pipe character, and a pipe character is between your backspace and your enter key on a PC keyboard. And then what I'm going to do is replace all of those. And then I'm going to do Control-A, and then Control-C to copy all that. And I'm going to go into Tools, Options here. Tools, Options. And I'm going to go back to Main. And there's a home page box here, and I'm going to, and by the way, if you're on somebody else's PC and they have a home page already here, it would be nice of you to copy that out and put it into maybe a notepad document or something like that so that you preserve it for them. You don't want to erase their home page link, and you want to clean up afterwards. So anyway, I have that all in my clipboard. I'm going to push Control-V to get that all in there, and then I'm going to go ahead and say OK. And now I'm going to go up on Firefox's top browser bar, and I'm going to push the Home key. And as you can see, everything opened up. And you'll notice at the end I ended up with an empty tab, but that was because I had a pipe at the very end of my list of links. And so if you don't want that, you'll want to remove that last pipe. So here's the whole list of all of the different links that I just opened. And that's it. And now the only thing that you need to do if you're going to leave is go back to Tools, Options, and delete this all back out so that you've left a nice clean space when you leave your presentation. This is CJ, Wildwood Interactive. We're a full-service internet development agency. We also hold seminars on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and how to lose weight on social media. I'd love to hear from you about your shortcuts and gadgets that you like to use on the internet. Thanks for your time. Bye.